Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the most current and up-to-date Amazon deals. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Outdoor faucet covers for winter. Garden faucet socks. Anti-freezing cover can completely cover the faucet. After being placed with Velcro strap, it can prevent rainwater from entering and prevent water pipes from freezing and bursting. Oxford waterproof cloth is used to coat the surface and fill collodion, which has good waterproof and thermal insulation performance. Original price, $14.99, now discounted 50% to $7.49. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 2. Romastory Winter Warm Leggings. One size elastic legging fits USS/M size. Lined with thick fleece to keep you warm in winter. Great to wear in winter for daily, coffee, skiing, work, dance, vacation. Size notice, one size elastic legging fits USS/M size. Size detail, length 94 cm/37 inch, waist stretchy 56-85 cm/22 foot-33.5, hip 70 to 100 cm/27.56-39.40. Original price, $25.0, now discounted 32% to $17.0. Number 3. Scans Cordless Drill Driver. This electric-powered drill driver kit comes with a 20V 2000 mAh battery and a high-quality fast charger. A full charge can be done in 60 minutes. The cordless drill driver's compact and lightweight design weighs only 2.6 pounds, which reduces fatigue during long hours of working on screwing and drilling tasks. Original price, $69.99, now discounted 48% to $35.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 4. Men's Polo Shirt Long Sleeve Recycled Polyester Dry Fit Golf Shirts for Men. Golf Shirt Man is made of 94% recycled polyester, 6% spandex. Elastic fabric polo t-shirt with 30+ UPF rating protects you from UV damage outdoors. Recycled fabric, super soft, lightweight, elastic performance, quick dry, not easy to wrinkle, color fast, shrink free, anti-pilling. Original price, $78.98, now discounted 69% to $24.48. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 5. AOCIWE Power Strip Surge Protector. 8 AC outlets, surge protector, 1700 joules, with overload protection, protects against spikes and fluctuations. 4 USB ports, total 3.4A. Each USB port features 2.4A max output. USB-C charging port features 3A max, built with smart technology, detecting charging devices and deliver optimal charging speed automatically. Original price, $27.98, now discounted 50% to $13.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 6. Heat gloves for men, women, 7.4V battery, 22.2 WH rechargeable. 7.4V rechargeable lithium battery provides faster heating and better performance at low temperatures. The switch panel is easy to operate and adds a unique battery level display. The palm part is made of microfiber, which is non-slip and more wear resistant and longer lasting than others' PU material. Original price, $109.99, now discounted 50% to $54.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 7. Queen size washed cotton sheet sets. Made in green by AOCIWE certified, these cotton queen bed sheets are manufactured in environmentally friendly facilities under safe and socially responsible working conditions. Ultra breathable, the 100% cotton fabric offers exceptional breathability and moisture absorption, providing you with a cozy and dry night's sleep all year round. Original price, $39.99, now discounted 40% to $23.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 8. YUWISS 15W Fast Wireless Charger Wireless Phone Charger Stanchi Certified. The iPhone wireless charger has a stylish and practical design. The intelligent LED indicator shows the charging status, helping you to know the status of the wireless charger directly. The charger fits most phone cases smaller than 5mm/0.19 inch, so you don't need to remove the case while charging. Original price, $49.99, now discounted 79% to $10.0. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 9. Maternity Shapewear. Maternity Shapewear. High elastic, skin-friendly, moisture-wicking, and breathable fabric with seamless design. Maternity Shapewear, completely opaque. 360-degree support provides enough belly coverage and a flattering silhouette while supporting your baby bump. Grows With You provides extra support and room for growth for expectant mom's growing belly. Original price, $23.99, now discounted 50% to $11.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 10. YUWISS Bluetooth 5.0 True Wireless Earbuds. The T04 wireless earbuds get up to 4 to 5 hours of battery before needing to be recharged. Built-in dual microphones features CVC 6.0 intelligent noise cancelling. Touch-sensitive pads on each earpiece can be customized to control music playback, trace skip, volume control, answer/hang-up/reject. Original price, $19.99, now discounted 40% to $11.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 11. MODRAW Cat Water Fountain Dog Water Bowl Dispenser with LED Light. The cat fountain is made of environmentally friendly PP material, which is durable, BPA-free, hygienic, and easy to clean. Sponge, activated carbon, and ion exchange resin form triple filtration to remove odor, filter impurities, soften the tap water, and provide fresh and clean drinks. Original price, $32.99, now discounted 40% to $19.79. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 12. PLOTMOND Oversized Wearable Blanket Hoodie, Pocket Blue, Pocket Blue, Pocket Blue, Pocket Blue, Pocket Blue, Pocket Blue. The Sherpa wearable blanket is perfect for keeping you warm when you're lying at home, reading, playing, watching TV, etc. This sweatshirt blanket is also designed as an outdoor blanket for outdoor parties, camping, walking your pet on cold winter mornings. Comfy blanket hoodie is designed with buttons, so it is very easy to put on and take off, and the clothes won't stain your lipstick. Original price, $32.99, now discounted 54% to $14.85. That's all for today. Notice that most of the coupon code of the deals can be expired very soon, so be sure to subscribe to catch up-to-date offers. If you're looking for something specific, just let me know in the comments below and we'll keep an eye out for it. See you next time.